Hi all, welcome to my first beauty box subscription unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Look Incredible Deluxe box. This is a subscription box, it's £35 a month and you can cancel at any time. So let's go ahead and see what's inside for the June 2019 box. Always comes with this little leaflet on top just showing you what's inside and how much they all are. So this is the box for June 2019. The first product that's inside that I can see is Skin Chemist London Anti-Aging Cucumber Peel Off Mask. They're all full size items. And that one comes in at £20. The next one is a Elizabeth Arden Crystal Clear Lip Gloss, and that one is £18. Next we've got the Tarte High Performance Natural Rainforest of the Sea Colour Splash Lipstick, and the colour that I received is Hibiscus. It's a lovely pink colour, nice for the summer, and that one would usually be £20. And then the last item in the box is a Becca Ocean Jewels Collection Highlighter Palette. Let's open this. Oh, that's a lovely palette. And if I can open this, yeah. Oh, don't know if you can see that. Let me just pick it up for you. And those are the colours of that then. I'll just do a little lovely shimmery colours for that one. This is my first subscription unboxing. I will be doing different ones every month. So please keep an eye out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.